Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Eric, and today I want to give my perspective on the iTero Lumina. The iTero Lumina is an absolutely wonderful scanner. I use it for everything from single unit, same day dentistry to full mouth rehab and all-on-X protocols. Now, this scanner absolutely shines when it comes to full mouth and all-on-X prosthetics because of the fact that this scanner has multi-direct capture technology, which means there's 6 cameras that are all capturing simultaneously, and they're all capturing direct, which means there's no mirror. A lot of the scanners on the market have mirrors that may fog up and decrease the image quality. They also have to be held much closer because of the depth capture that's available because of the mirror. So this scanner will capture much deeper, so it'll capture palatal and soft tissues a lot better, and it has a much wider field of view, which is going to really help increase the accuracy of full arch restorations, particularly implant supported. Now, the reason why this increases that precision is because a lot of the scanners on the market tend to get lost when you're scanning from one implant scan body to the next. They essentially get lost because there's that gap and it's trying to recapture the soft tissues and then stitch those images together. Now, when you have 6 cameras in one, essentially 6 scanners scanning at the same time, the scanner has a much less chance of getting lost in between the scan bodies. So really, really great feature is that multi-direct capture. I've gotten a lot of cases where I've used traditional multi-unit scan bodies and have had no issues with passive fits. But for further peace of mind, what I did do as well is I incorporated the IO Connect system from True Abutment, which essentially is a scan ladder that incorporates all of the data required for your multi-unit abutment positions into a single scan. So you're essentially going to be holding your iTero scanner right over this little area, about the size of a quarter, and capture it all in one shot, almost like you're taking an intraoral image, and that's going to capture all of your implant positions in one with little, if any, room for stitching errors. Now, what's also really great about this, like I mentioned, the palatal depth, you can see it captures really, really deep palates with no issue. And that becomes extremely important when you're doing an all-on-X prosthetic, because when you go to line these up, you can see they come completely disoriented in space and they have to be aligned in Exocad. Now, Exocad is going to be using points of reference, typically on the palate. It's also going to be using points of reference such as fiduciary markers like these scan body shapes. And in the event that you're doing a case where you're doing a same day load, it may be required to use fixation pins or fiduciary markers that will go directly on the palate to help your Exocad designer recapture the bite. So all of those features make these cases a breeze when you're using the iTero Lumina, and it really helps eliminate a lot of the headaches that a lot of people have been having with their all-on-X prosthetics with traditional scanners on the market. Now, in my opinion, this virtually eliminates the need for photogrammetry. I'm not going to tell you to sell your unit if you have one already, but I will tell you that the research is coming, and I think this is going to be as accurate or more accurate than photogrammetry in the near future. The one thing that I do want to tell you about this scanner is that in order to get such a quality scans, you cannot scan slow. A lot of the scanners in the market that have a mirror and that indirect capture, you have to be really close to the tooth and scan really slowly. If you do that with the Lumina, you will get over scanning and duplication of data, and you get a really poor image. So in order to use this to its best capability, you have to scan really, really fast. Now, with the 6 cameras, it's going to be capturing things that you don't think you've captured. So you may look and see a spot that's not shown up on while you're scanning, but one of those 6 cameras probably caught the spot that you think you missed. So I would highly recommend that if you're going to be using the Lumina, just go really fast process, then reassess if there's any areas that you missed. But all in all, wonderful scanner. I honestly can't say enough good things about it. So if you don't have one, I highly recommend it. Have a great day.